Hey, good morning, everybody. I'm taking a little walk since it's pretty nice out here in Arizona this morning. I'm actually heading to a little mountain over by Usery Pass. If anybody's from Arizona, they're familiar with it, or should be. Over by Red Mountain Park. I'm just going to take a little hike up and see if we can see the sunrise. Thanks for coming with me, y'all. Hello, everybody. Almost to the little mountain right now where I'm about to take a hike at. I just had to stop and get a drink, before the sun comes up out here. Completely comes up anyways. Right now is actually the perfect time to take a hike too. Since it's nice and cool, maybe like 70s, maybe 80 degrees. I'm not real sure on that. But our mountain is coming up. That's the mountain that we are heading to here today. It's actually really nice when you go up on top too. Well, we reached the entry. It goes up and keeps going up and up and up. Well, let's do this. Long ways to go on this trail, but well, something to do when it gets us out of the house anyways, you know. I don't know about any of you guys, you ever take a good mountain hike early in the morning? It feels good afterwards. It don't feel too good at the time, but it feels really good afterwards. Finally made it to the top. Quite a long hike, quite a ways down there too. So thank you guys for joining. We'll sit up here a minute and take a break, and then we'll be on our way back down.